are frequently put to the test. Their headlights gleam just like eyes of silence they forbid. They are willing to show their strength and roar just for the kids. Cars for kids, cars for kids. Many people saw them, you realize what they did. These cars and their owners work just to help needy in the brightest part of day, working for the children. These great cars go all the way. Now you've been enlightened, and now you know this is Cars for Kids, not just a hot rod show. Cars for kids, cars for kids. Many people saw them, you realize what they did.
All right, we can put a note down, and you wouldn't want much of it in the background anyway.